Hi, my name is Deborah, and I'd like to show you how easy it is to mail merge into emails or letters using a Google document as your template and data from a Google Sheet. To illustrate, let's say I'm the HR manager at BC Limited, and I would like to email all employees to confirm that our current records of their personal data are up to date. I have a Google Sheet called Employee Data that contains their home address, mobile phone, and marital status. So here's the body of my email in a Google document that I've written. However, I'd like to personalize each email I send by entering merge fields into the document, such as the person's full name, home address, mobile phone, and marital status. To do this, I need to select the specific Google Sheet containing this data. Here's what we need to do. First, we need to load the add-on by clicking Add-ons, Mail Merge, and Start. The last spreadsheet file you used will automatically be loaded. This is why the employee data file showed automatically. If this is not the spreadsheet file you want to merge from, click the Open Spreadsheet button to locate your spreadsheet. The next step is to choose which sheet from your spreadsheet file you want to merge the data from. If you want to view your spreadsheet file, just click on its name. Please note that the first row in your sheet needs to contain column headers, as these will be used as merge fields in your document template. Since we're merging to emails, we also need a column containing the email address. Now, going back to our document, we need to confirm that this column is selected in the Email To column. You might have noticed that in this case, it has automatically been detected for us. At this point, we just need to add the merge fields into our template. So after Dear, insert the full name merge field. In these table cells, we'll insert the home address and mobile phone and marital status. And that's it, we're good to go. However, before sending the emails, make sure that this is the email subject line and display name you want your recipients to see. Before you send all the emails, I suggest that you first send a test to check how the email will look to your recipients. So just click Test Email and hit the Merge button. Click OK to confirm the email address you want to send to, and that's it. The add-on will confirm that the email has been sent. Let's confirm this by checking our Gmail Sent folder to see if everything looks okay. I can confirm that the data has been successfully merged. Now that everything looks fine, we can merge to emails. Now we have options. We can either send the emails immediately by clicking Merge to Emails, or we can merge into the Gmail's draft folder, where you can confirm the content of your emails before sending them. In this case, let's select the Gmail draft folder. Notice it will confirm the number of records. When you're ready, hit Yes if you want to go ahead with generating these emails. While you're waiting, you can see the progress of the merge. Remember, the more records you have, the longer the merge will take. When finished, look in your drafts folder. Notice here that we have 16 generated emails. Now, what if you want to merge the same records into letters instead of emails? That way you can later print and mail them. Let's go back to our document. Under Merge To, select Letters and hit the blue Merge button. Notice it will confirm the number of records. When you're ready, hit Yes if you want to go ahead with generating these letters. While you're waiting, you can see the progress of the merge. Now that it's finished, click the link to view your merged letters. As you can see, we have one document with 16 pages. One page for each record we've merged. If you want a separate document generated for each row, that's also possible. Just click on Options, set Merge to Letters Into, and Multiple Documents. Also, there's an option in which you can choose the Google Drive folder where you want to save your letters. This brings us to the end of this tutorial, which highlights the basic mail merging functionality. However, there are more features in the product. For example, you can send this document as a PDF attachment rather than in the body of the email by just clicking this checkbox. You can also click on Options and set a CC or BCC for your email. You probably have lots more questions, so check out our website. From the Help menu, you can get access to frequently asked questions such as how to merge specific rows, how to track which rows have been sent, and we highly recommend that you set this up, and how to schedule a date and time in which you want emails to be automatically sent. However, if you still need personal help, click Contact Us and let us know your question. We offer free 24/7 support to all of our users, regardless of whether they're on the free trial or premium version. That's all for now. Thanks for listening.